Hello dear students, how are you? Welcome back to the channel Section Mixture. Today we are going to solve the remaining part of the similar problem, that is I have solved in the part 10 strength of materials. Now we will be solving the part 11, that is bending moment, simply supported beam. Now let us start. Again, these tricks should be in mind you should remember the tricks so that it will be very easy. Now the reaction will be positive and all the loads acting downwards will be negative. Positive, negative, 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 whatever it is, like either it may be UDL or either it may be point load, it will be negative. That is the tricks. The reaction will be positive. Now another thing, at the reaction point, that is R and RB, okay, there we are finding the bending moment at A and bending moment at B, that are supports. A and B are supports. Both will be 0, always 0 kilonewton meter, and bending moment at B 0 kilonewton meter. Now this is also 0 and this is also 0, that is bending moment at point A, bending moment at point B. Let us solve bending moment at C. Place your hand here. We will find two loads. How many loads? Two loads. That is 33.67 into 4. 33.67 into 4, positive, because trick says that is positive. Next, again another load is, we can observe here, that is UDL 12 kilonewton per meter. 12 into 4, 4 divided by 2. 12 into 4, 4 divided by 2, that is negative. The load is negative downward, and if you calculate this one, we'll get 134.68, and if you calculate this one, we'll get 96. And if you calculate both of this, if you subtract in this, in 134.68 minus 96, you'll get bending moment C as 38.68 kilonewton meter, that is positive. Let us solve bending moment at D. Place your hand here. This is very important. Bending moment at D. 33.67 into 5. How much it is? 5. Till hand it is 5. So I have taken 5 here. 33.67 into 5. Positive. This will be positive. Trick says that is positive. Next, again place your hand here. I can see another load, that is 12 into 4. 4 divided by 2, because it is UDL, and negative. Negative. And my hand, I have placed my hand on D because bending moment at D. So you need to add plus 1 because the length is remaining here. So plus 1, 12 into 4 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. Fine. Next, if you solve this, you'll get 168.35. Again, if you solve this one, 12 into 4 is 48. 4 by 2 is 2. Plus 1 I have kept as it is. Solve one by one, so the answer will be correct. Next, again, if you solve this one, you get 48 into 3, that is 2 plus 1 is 3. Next, 168.35, 168.35. Fine. If you solve 168.35 minus 144, you will get plus 24.35 kilonewton meter. Bending moment at B will be 0. A and B are 0 always. When you are finding the bending moment in simply supported beam, both the reactions will be 0. Fine. And let us draw the bending moment diagram now. A point is 0. A point is 0. At the C point, we have 38.68 kilonewton meter. And at bending moment at D, we have plus 24.35 kilonewton meter. I have marked here, plus it is. So, and bending moment at B is again 0 kilonewton meter. It is UDL, so that will be hyperbolic. Next, there is point load here. This one will be inclined. Again, no load is acting. We have to close this loop. Again, inclined. Curve and inclined. Because there is UDL here. So it is curve and it is positive. All the values are positive here. So this will be positive. Thank you for watching the video.